Hello students. Now here we are going to solve practice set 1.1. The first question is, show the following numbers on a number line and draw a separate number line for each example. Here the first example is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. In these three numbers the denominator is 2. So we have to draw the number line and we have to divide each unit into two equal parts. Here 0 to 1 we have divided the 0 to 1 into two equal parts. So this is the first part and this one is second part. Similarly from 1 to 2 it is also divided into two equal parts because the denominator is in this example 2. Now we have to denote the first rational number 3 upon 2 on this number line. Here the denominator is 2. So we have divided each unit into two equal parts. And in the first example, here in the first rational number, the numerator here it is 3. That means from 0 we have to count 3 points. This one is the first point, second point and this is the third point starting from 0, and this third point denotes the rational number 3 upon 2. So we have to indicate this number 3 upon 2 in this way. Now the second rational number is 5 upon 2. That means from 0 count the 5 points. Fifth point is 5 upon 2. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one is the fifth point. So this fifth point denote the rational number 5 upon 2. And the third one is minus 3 upon 2. And this minus 3 upon 2 is on the left side of the 0 because the negative numbers are on the left side of 0. So count 3 points from left side. Here it is 1, 2 and 3. This denote the number minus 3 upon 2. So this is the number line for the first example, and here we have denoted the 3 points 3 upon 2, 3 rational numbers 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2 on the number line. Now the second example is 7 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. In this example, here the denominator, first see the denominator is 5. That means we have to divide each unit into 5 equal parts. Now see the number line. Here I have divided 0 to 1. I have divided this into 5 equal parts. Here this one is the first part, second part, third, fourth and fifth. These are the 5 equal parts. Similarly from 1 to 2, I have also divided from 1 to 2 into 5 equal parts. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. Similar in the same way we have to divide on the left side of the 0. Now the first number is 7 upon 5. That is, here the numerator is 7. That means we have to count from 0. From 0, the seventh point denotes the rational number 7 upon 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the seventh point and this denotes the rational number 7 upon 5. Now the next number is minus 2 upon 5. The negative number is on the left side of the 0. Minus 2, that means start from 0 and count left side. It is 1 and this one is 2. And this second point denotes the rational number minus 2 upon 5. Now the third one is minus 4 upon 5. That means to the left side of the 0 count, and the fourth point denotes the rational number minus 4 upon 5. Here from the left side 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one denotes the rational number minus 4 upon 5. Now the third example is minus 5 upon 8, 11 upon 8. In this example, the denominator is 8. That means we have to divide each unit into 8 equal parts. From 0 to 1, I have divided this into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly, from 1 to 2, it is also divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the first number is minus 5 upon 8. Minus 5 upon 8 is on the left side of the 0 because it is negative number. So count from 0 to the left side. Fifth point denotes the rational number minus 5 upon 8. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This fifth point denotes the rational number minus 5 upon 8. Next is 11 upon 8. Now 11 upon 8 start from 0 and 11 upon 8 is positive number, so it is on the right side of the 0. From 0 count the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. This 11th point denotes the rational number 11 upon 8. So these are the 3 examples of practice set 11.1 and now students solve the fourth example and solve the fourth example on the notebook, that is 13 upon 10 and minus 17 upon 10. Try to solve this on the number line.